and especially to you for watching this video, because it's time to make some clothes for the family again. Last winter I made, it's winter time again here by us, so last winter I made for these three, I made them some clothes, but I didn't make for the mom and the dad. Someone asked me to make something for the dad, for Kevin, so I'm definitely going to make something for him. But I made something for the baby, I made something for Darren, and I might even made something for Kayleen for last winter. And so now I'm gonna do for the dad, I want to do, but first what I want to do is Kaylee got this little shirt with butterflies on, and I've got actually another socks with butterflies on it. So I'm gonna make another jersey for little Cindy, the baby, out of this butterfly socks, and then this beautiful big butterfly socks. I'm gonna make something for a jersey for the mum out of that, so all the girls will have a butterfly jersey. So first I'm going to make for the mum and for Cindy, I'm gonna make some jerseys. But I didn't forget about the dad and about Darren. So Darren's got this Superman jersey or sweat top. So I've got this Batman socks. So I'm gonna make for that a Batman jersey. So then the two boys also will have the same. It won't be all in one video. Maybe I can do one or two in a video. But I'm definitely going to make them some clothes. And then I'm gonna make some more clothes for the dad when I'm finished with that. And yeah, if I made this beautiful butterfly for everyone, there will be a nice photo shoot with that, and even for the dad and for Darren with the superhero jerseys, there will be a nice photo shoot for the whole family again. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, this pattern is very small, but I will make some better patterns for you. I hope you can see the sizes. Okay, so, and this sock I just cut the white part off and use that for something else, and I'm going to fold this in half, and then that will be perfect for the baby. I think I must let these little small ones be in front. Okay, so let's carry on here.